Hi, my name is Taylor with Contral Trailers, back with my good friend Jeff Noble here in Ohio. This will be part 2 of our video on loading 20s onto our Contral trailer. Again, we're using a CDU 39 Gooseneck as an example, but this will work with any of our trailers. The first step when loading your second 20 is to make sure that your removable stop blocks are safely in place so that your 20-foot container stops where it needs to. From there, it's the same process as before. Slide your axles all the way to the forward position and then tilt your trailer until the tail is touching just barely to the ground. From there, connect your corner casting chain to the corner castings of the container and then connect that to your lead-off chain, which you will then finally connect to your main chain drive system, just like we did on the first 20. For demonstration purposes, unlike our first 20, we're going to use the chain drive to drag this container onto the container, as opposed to sliding the truck and trailer underneath the container. When using this method, remember that your truck will need to be in park and your trailer brakes locked. Just like before, to avoid strain on the system, be sure to tilt your deck to be parallel with the container. That way you give the winch the easiest time. Similar to our first load, once your corner casting chain can reach the main chain drive winch, be sure to remove your lead-off chain to avoid any damage. Similar to our first load, once your container is between halfway and 3/4 to fully on the deck, you can tilt the trailer back to its position where the deck is flat and parallel with the ground. This will take strain off your container and the trailer, especially when loading from a dragging position. Once your container reaches the front and hits your stop blocks lock into place, your lock pins will be good to secure the front corner casting. As for securing the rear with the overhang, we recommend using a come-along chain to secure from your rear D-ring, or in this case, rub rail, from this bracket, all the way to your corner casting chain. If you would prefer, it's okay to use a ratchet strap that we have installed on all trailers you're free to throw a strap. That's also legal as well. Here's your strap location if you choose to do so. My good friend Jeff uses chains. This concludes how to load the second 20 onto your CDU 39 or any other Contral trailer. Thank you.